If you often feel bloated, tired, or uneasy after eating protein-rich meals, it might not be your stomach's fault, it's the type of protein you're choosing. Some proteins are harder to digest, especially if they're fatty or heavily processed. Let's explore 6 easy-to-digest proteins that not only build your muscles but also nourish your gut and support overall digestive health. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of nature's most complete proteins and among the easiest for your body to digest. They provide all 9 essential amino acids and are low in fat when boiled or poached. If you have sensitive digestion, start your day with a soft boiled egg. It fuels your body without putting pressure on your stomach. Just remember, frying eggs in too much oil can make them harder to digest, so keep it simple. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a protein powerhouse, it's also rich in probiotics, the good bacteria your gut loves. These friendly bacteria help maintain a healthy gut flora, reduce bloating, and enhance digestion. It's best to go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, since added sugars can disrupt gut balance. Pair it with fruits or honey for a light, nourishing snack that strengthens your digestive system. Number 3. Bone broth. Warm, soothing, and healing, bone broth is excellent for your digestive health. It contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine that help repair the gut lining. This can be especially beneficial if you suffer from leaky gut or indigestion. Sip on bone broth in the morning or before bed, it's like giving your gut a comforting hug from the inside. Number 4. Fish, especially salmon, cod, or tilapia. Fish is one of the easiest animal proteins for your body to break down. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the gut and improve nutrient absorption. Grilled or steamed fish, such as salmon or cod, is light yet deeply nourishing. Avoid frying or over-seasoning. Gentle cooking helps your body digest it more efficiently. Number 5. Lentils. Lentils are an amazing plant-based protein and a digestive-friendly option for those avoiding meat. They're rich in fiber, iron, and essential amino acids that keep you full while promoting healthy bowel movements. To make them easier to digest, soak them before cooking and prepare them thoroughly. They're also excellent for gut bacteria, acting as a natural prebiotic source. Number 6. Tofu and tempeh. Both tofu and tempeh are made from soybeans but prepared differently. Tofu is soft and light, while tempeh has a firm texture and a mild, nutty flavor. They are low in fat, cholesterol-free, and loaded with plant-based protein. Tempeh also contains prebiotics, fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria, helping your digestion stay strong and balanced. These are great options for vegetarians or anyone who wants to reduce meat intake without losing protein.